ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল বোর্ডে ক্লাস 7-এর ইংলিশ বইয়ে প্রথম গল্প দ্য বুক অফ নেচার। এই গল্পটার থেকে সেরা 16খানা এমন কিছু ফিল ইন দ্য ব্ল্যাঙ্কস নিয়ে আলোচনা করে দেবো যা তোমাদের জন্য ভীষণ গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। সো লেটস স্টার্ট দিস ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই একটু লাইক করো, চ্যানেলে নতুন হলে অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিও। সো লেটস স্টার্ট ইট। First question: no book could have been written in old times because men did not exist then. To be able to read any language, one must learn its alphabet. A small pebble was definitely a part of nature. On the beaches at the seaside, little children can play and make castles out of the sand. We cannot imagine the history of old days. Fortunately, we have some things which tell us a great deal of nature. Question number 7. In old times when men did not exist, surely no book could have been written. Our earth is very old, millions and millions of years old. Question number 9. Although we have no books written in those far off days, we have এখানে far off days হবে। In those far off days we have rocks, mountains, seas, stars, rivers, deserts and fossils of old animals. It is difficult to imagine this world to be without animal and men. Question number 11. Every little stone you see may be able to tell you something if you only know how to read it. Every little stone may be a little page in nature's book and may be able to tell something if we know how to read it. Question number 13. We see little stones lying in the road or on the mountain side. Question number 14. We should go to the great book of nature if we want to know the earth story. England is a little island. Question number 16, last question. The grain of sand joined its brothers at the seaside to make a beautiful beach.